Hi, welcome to the FAFSA show. I got my friend Kaylin with us from First Step Scholars. Good afternoon,
Hi,
Kaylin. Welcome to the show.
thank you. How are you?
I just living the dream, my friend. So I'm really happy to have you on the show because we're going to talk about first gen students, which is one of my passions. As we were joking before the show, I was a first gen student, and it's overwhelming because, I struggled as a student really badly, unfortunately, and I didn't have a support system. My family never went to college, my friends didn't go to college. So when I struggled, I felt alone. And now I see programs like yours out there, and I'm like, thank God they're there and stuff. So tell me a little bit about your story and why you saw the need to start this.
Hi, I'm Kaylin Williams. I'm the founder of First Step Scholars. And I originally started this program in the middle of last year, and I officially put it into motion at the end of the summer. A big reason why I started the program is because I'm a first generation student myself. My dad is from Guyana, my mother is African American, and neither of them went to college. And as I've been going through the college application process, I realized when I was talking to my friends and I was talking to my peers at school, a lot of people had a lot more information than I did. And I was like, wow, like that really sucks. And like it really set into stone for me. And as I continued researching and looking into things, I was like, wow, there are so many resources out here, but I wish it could all be compiled into one place. So that's why I started this mentorship program to connect first generation students to college students and give them a bunch of different resources to help with the college application process.
Kaylin, this has to be super cool when someone uses your resources to get the information they need, and you see a message, hey, Kaylin, I got into school X. And without you, that might not have happened. That's got to be pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a great feeling. I get some people that complete the program, they message me and they're like, "Hey, like these resources are so helpful." I'm like, I love that.
So talk to me about some of the things you're helping students with. When you mention resources, what are you doing to help them?
Yeah, so our mentorship program, it's essentially a high school student gets paired up with a first generation college student who's been through the process, they're first generation, so they know what it's like. And along with that mentorship, they also get access to a Google Classroom full of resources that we compile together. We have a team of researchers who just research different extracurricular opportunities and SAT prep. And also, another big thing that we have is a financial aid workshop. We work with another student run organization, Financially Aware Scholars, and it basically explains all the different information for FAFSA and scholarships and things like that. And another fun thing that we recently did is we had a speaker event with this influencer, Hallie Jama. And that was really great because she's also a first generation student herself. She's had 9 internships over the course of her entire college career, which is crazy. So it was really helpful to a lot of students, like hearing what she had to say and different things about college and career and all those different types of things.
It's just nice because you mentioned things like financial aid. Maybe you don't have someone that can help you fill in the forms, or, you're like, oh, we're not going to get financial aid for whatever reason you think that. And, it's a barrier to getting into college without it and stuff. So it's nice you give those resources. So, crystal ball time, my friend. What are you hoping to accomplish with this idea?
Well, going into college, I definitely hope that I can continue to expand the program and reach even like nationwide. Right now, we're pretty small, but I hope to expand and become even more popular and reach as many students as possible. And another big thing is that I hope to raise money to fund a scholarship. That's something that I'd really be passionate about to help other first generation students that have worked hard and have big dreams and just need help affording college.
I could definitely see that happening as, you help educate people, they go through college and they want to pay it back, like saying, hey, I wish that, even sometimes, people think, oh, it's only X dollars, but sometimes X dollars is just enough to get you that book you need or, whatever it is and stuff. So it's important. What's the best way for people to reach out to you if they want to learn more about the program, they want to help?
Oh yeah, we have an Instagram and a TikTok. Both those is at First Step Scholars, and then through that you can find our email and everything. We're also currently opening applications are open right now for our summer cohort. So if anyone's interested in being a part of the mentorship program and getting all the resources we have to offer, we're accepting applications. So it's something you should definitely take advantage of. And then also, if there's any first generation college students that are willing to mentor these high schoolers, then we have applications open for that too.
And they can find all that information on the Instagram account.
Yeah,
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
thank you so much.